Welcome to the video series on getting started with Sydnee. Once you have all the basics set up, it's about saving time and making your workflow repeatable. Let's start with task templates. Instead of rebuilding the same tasks every time, you can create a template once and reuse it whenever you need it. So if you have a recurring process like onboarding or a monthly deliverable, you can spin that up in seconds. Same idea with request templates. If you're asking clients for the same information over and over, you don't need to rewrite it each time. You set it up once and reuse it whenever you need to send that request. Now, as you start working across multiple clients, things can get busy pretty quickly. That's where the My Tasks view comes in. This gives you a single place to see everything assigned to you or your team across all accounts. So instead of jumping between clients, you can manage everything from one view. You can also set things up so every new account starts the same way. For example, a default memo pad. This can include notes, instructions, or templates that automatically appear in every single new account. And the same goes for your file structure. You can create a default setup once, and every new account will copy that structure automatically. If you work with different types of clients or setups, you can also duplicate portals. So instead of starting from scratch, you can use an existing account as a template. And to stay on top of everything, you've got the notifications drawer. You'll see updates here, and you'll also get notified by email so nothing slips through the cracks. Beyond that, Sydnee connects with other tools you already use. With API access, you can handle larger imports or more advanced automation. And with Zapier, you can connect Sydnee to thousands of other apps. You can also integrate with tools like GA4 or HubSpot to keep everything aligned across your business. From there, it's really about using Sydnee day to day, assigning tasks, sharing files, and chatting with clients all in one place. These power tools are what help you stay consistent, save time, and avoid rebuilding the same processes over and over. That's where Sydnee really starts to make a difference.